Hello, custom viewers. Welcome to Eyes Open FS. I'm Ezra. In this video, I'll be breaking it down from our technical analysis from higher time frame to lower time frame in understanding where we have our next impulsive wave on this BTC. So, if you look at what market has been doing around this area, we have been bearish with a good momentum candle around this area, very cool momentum candle to the downside. So, another thing you understand is that one thing about market is that anytime you see a candle, an inside bar, market is closing with what a small body uh with what a long wick. This actually shows that is what a pin bar. And wherever you see a pin bar in the market, one thing that will always come to your mind is that there will be what another expansion move. There will be what another expansion move in the market very soon. So with that, this will tell us that BTC will give us an expansion move either to the upside or to the downside in the next coming month and the upper one. That will be what October and what November. So we'll be expecting what some good move in this coming month, October and November. So either to the bearish side right here or to the bullish side right here. So and the momentum will be what high. The momentum will be what will be very high. All right, we'll be expecting what a good momentum move to the what upside or to the downside on BTC, and this month is already getting to an end. So which I believe at least the market will close at least a little bit up to the upside right here around this area on lower time frame. It will go up a little to close around this area before another expansion either to the bearish side or to the bullish side. So going to weekly time frame. So looking at what market has been doing and the bearish move that we have called from our previous outlook on this BTC and Bitcoin itself. So we will be expecting more bearish move, but before we expect that bearish move, there will be what an intraday buy move around this area to the upside a little around this area before a bearish move to the downside. All right, so that is the idea of what market will do next. So going to daily time frame right here, market has already traded into a cool POI right here, and this POI was what I saw as what another sell zone. This was a break of structure to the downside right here with a sharp rejection, and market still would break this low and what came back to induce this high as what inducement. So after that high was induced, going to a lower time frame, likely on this time frame, we see some cool bearish move to the downside. So I had already two POI right here, this as a POI and this area as what a POI. So we'll be expecting market now to what give a little reaction from here, since we have a little uh this low was broken before this high was broken. So that's like what a break of structure, but it's still what an inducement. So we'll be having what a bearish move right here to the downside or here. So if these two zones fail, because we are already at the month end and a month beginning will soon occur, so because of that month beginning that will soon occur, market can actually what retrace a little at least to the upside to create what the week of the what of the month, to create what the week of the monthly candle. So it can actually retrace to the upside to create the what the week of the monthly candle around this area before an expansion move to the downside. As it will just continue creating what a huge body to the downside from here. All right, it will just continue creating a huge body to the downside since we are still in a bearish trend. So if you are in a bullish trend, would have expect the bullish expansion candle, just like as I said on monthly time frame, the monthly what expansion candle to what to be printed to the upside. But since we are still in a bearish trend, so we'll be expecting what the printed candle to be formed to the downside to this area. All right, so that is that on this BTC. And from the previous outlook which I explained, from here market use it would give us a sharp sell. After that, just like I said, we will what expecting what a more bearish continuation from here or if there's what a rejection around this area, a POI, and your normal SC as what another POI. Though the main thing is what understanding what market is doing on the lower time frame. So once you understand what market is doing on lower time frame, there's no need of you uh, expect market to go to this price until a structure is being broken on that lower time frame. Then you will be expecting market to come to this very level. So that's just the rule of market. So from where market actually gave us a sell move, and we see how market actually did some good move right here around this area after this low was broken. So market gave a cool bullish move into this area, and we have our mitigation, proper mitigation around this area, the last area of what SC mitigation right here. So having the last area of SC mitigation right here, the next thing is what you wait for confirmation, which is intent or a shift of what structure for market to give you what a clean distribution to the downside. All right. So looking at what market is actually doing at this area. So there was a cool bullish move right here. Boom. So as market has already given us what this is an inducement, which will also serve as what a break of structure. And on lower time frame, if you're able to go to lower time frame, market what needs some cool liquidity. So you just have to wait for market to treat into your POI right here. Just have to wait for market to treat into your POI and wait for where market has the first BOS, which was this. So having this low taken right here will give you an aid that this is what an inducement high. So having this will give you a last area of POI where you can actually expect price to what to get to and expect this high to be raided. All right. So since that is just what price needs to do on this lower time frame, so that means this is our what our next what uh, external liquidity as what for price to what engineer liquidity to the upside. So we expect market to give us a buy, claim buy. See that? So after a claim buy, market was able to induce liquidity from that area. So after inducement, you wait for what is shift of structure or an intent formation, which market actually gave. So after the shift of structure market gave at that area, then you wait for what market to give you what at least after the shift of structure for what a break of structure to also occur within the minor structure at that area. So having this area, you have this SC right here as a POI. So having this SE as a POI, then you can actually have what your stop loss just right here. At least since the candle is very huge on this time frame, so you pick the full candle as still what your uh your POI to expect a sell to the downside at least. And if you are having that as a POI, your target would your nearest what inducement level. So your nearest inducement level will actually be this, which is this low. Click perfectly as your what your short-term TP. So this is what market will probably do. So we'll just watch for price. Claim. So market has already tapped into the POI, confirm and give what a break of structure to the downside. So now you can actually what move your stop loss to break even at the moment. So and expect what more bearish move to the downside. So let's see what market will do. So market lands safely at the TP instantly. So this is how you can actually what target your first TP in the market. So after that, before you target your external liquidity, which market is probably what we probably what take. Right. So that's just it, and that is all for today's outlook. So see you guys later. Good luck. Good trading.